What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tracy.
It's your girl Risky.
And we back again with another vlog. Today, Vlogmas Day 17. Right? Let me say 18. Woo. Excuse me, I'm tired. I'm so tired. We missed a day. We missed Vlogmas Day 17. Woo! Yeah, boy. Tired. Oh my gosh. Tired, but that ain't an excuse. That's not an excuse. Still gotta drop this content for y'all. We missed only 2 days, but other than that, we've been doing good. But yep, today, by the title, y'all probably seen, we gonna be making breakfast
For dinner.
Yep. Breakfast for dinner. I know y'all probably looking like, breakfast for dinner? What you mean? You feel me? But you know, it's just something different. You feel what I'm saying? Brunch at nighttime. You feel what I'm saying? Eat some oranges. You feel what I'm saying?
We got
turkey bacon, biscuits. I'm guessing. Or did you want to fry them again and make some Oreos? Not Oreos, but donuts.
No, they're strictly for to eat biscuits today.
Oh, that's actually excuse me. It's certain ones that you got. I know y'all like he keep yawning. I know I'm low key like I'm tired, but we getting it. We gonna get through it. We gonna push through it. We gonna get it. Y'all probably like, dang. You feel me? But get through it.
And we're making potatoes.
So potatoes.
Yeah, with sausage and bell peppers.
Let's go ahead and get into the video. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna start the potatoes.
She got the potatoes.
And Montre is going to start the sausage. He's going to do the eggs. He's going to do the bacon. And I'm doing the biscuits. Not doing bacon. Well, I can do the bacon, but I like my eggs, but I don't like my eggs, if that makes sense. So we leave the eggs up to
so let's go ahead and get into the But yeah, y'all probably like, dang. But yeah, y'all, we got the eggs done.
the potatoes.
Eggs done, potatoes done. Well, almost done. Sausage done, and the bacon's done, and the biscuits done too. So the only thing we're waiting on now is them good old potatoes.
I wish. So yellow potatoes. You think? So the yellow potatoes. You think they'll get dark, but they still be a little light.
Y'all ready for that Michael Jackson movie?
Oh, I forgot. I got to see it. I love Michael Jackson. How do you taste?
That's great. Y'all like our cups? I got the blue one, of course. What it say? Let it snow. I think it'll say, let it jingle. Get your jingle on. I said, let it jingle.
Alright, so I'm going to make baked layer.
I'm still a biscuit, ain't gonna lie, y'all. I'm the biscuit still. You want your cornbread?
Alrighty. Didn't make that that many bacon, but hey, it's okay. Some eggs. Some eggs. Okay. Oh, snaps, y'all. We got a lot of stuff that we gotta put on the plate. How many biscuits you want?
I'm gonna take one to work because I'm a biscuit man.
Alright, guys.
Y'all thought I was playing?
I wish. Okay.
I'm the real deal biscuit man.
Okay, please don't mind his plate, but. I don't know. Let's take a thumbnail.
I'm just playing.
Alright. This is bake plate.
I can make hers.
No, I think you want it.
Which one of these? Maybe you want more.
What do you want to drink your water?
I'll get up in the morning and throw some eggs in.
Hmm?
That's how much I'll get up in the morning and throw some eggs in.
I really want to like you. I'm going to make some eggs. If you want some eggs, or you can make your eggs.
I was gonna make it the same thing because you'll be able to get up until like 1 or 2 hours. But if you want to get up and make them, my love, you can get up and make them. How many biscuits you want? One biscuit coming out.
What do you want to drink?
Am I missing anything on your plate? How much? All right, let's go eat.
Let's try the potato. Well, I'm just gonna eat at this point. Potatoes and eggs are good. Fun fact about me, I eat my eggs first because I don't want to serve my eggs. It might be weird, but hey, I don't care.
That's the beauty of it.
I taste the potato.
Tastes good. It's good, bacon good, sauce good. Yep.
Thank you guys for tuning in on this video.
Yep. Tuning in on Vlogmas Day 18.
We will.
Yep. Appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good night.
Bye.